Where we are?
Yes.
Where?
On top of a mountain.
What mountain?
I forgot.
Do you know what state we're in?
Washington.
Okay, so what's the national park we're in?
The Olympic.
The Olympics. And so what's the biggest mountain in the Olympics?
Olympian.
Mount Olympic? Olympus? Which is right over here.
Yeah, I think it's right there. And Louise, can you move so we can see this beautiful view right here? And so, if this video does go on YouTube, that they would see the view. Right here.
It would be cool to have like a model airplane up here, but you can't do that.
You can't do that in national parks.
Not anymore.
So, if you want us to introduce ourselves,
Unless you have a permit. You can get it pretty cheap.
This is Louise, and this is me, and my name is Alex. Let's go, come on.